what is the problem? Om Prakash Mishra, what is the problem?
Just reached Mumbai
What
after winning
is the
Ahmedabad
problem?
and now eyeing on Godhra, Modasa and Bharuch. Yeah, we won.
Yeah, but what happened about
Murshidabad?
Murshidabad? What happened about Chobbish Pargona? Where are you? Where is Asaduddin Owaisi? He's given up the Bengal contest.
See, Asad Owaisi, he's an MP. He can speak in the temple of democracy, that is the parliament. But when application were applied for permission to hold a public meeting in Bengal, it is denied. All the papers are proper, but the TMC, they deny. Amit Shah can go and hold public meeting in West Bengal. Modi can go, Nadda can go, CPM can hold rallies, CPM can hold public meetings. But when it comes to Asad Owaisi, we are denied permission. We live in democracy, Arnab. We follow the constitution, and not only that, the hypocrisy of the TMC is totally exposed here, Arnab. There are MPs in the
Om Prakash Mishra, why aren't you letting Owaisi campaign in Bengal? Owaisi, why aren't you letting Owaisi campaign in Bengal?
And their face is different.
Owaisi, do you know, why aren't you letting him campaign in Bengal? Waris Pathan is a private helicopter. He wants to bring his helicopter and campaign all over Bengal. Why aren't you letting him campaign in Bengal? He started by complaining to Om Prakash Mishra. Yes, you must respond to that, please.
I very intently listened to your conversation with Babul Supriyo. You were spot on asking him that how come that what was your desire has now been translated into EC directive in relationship to the schedule. Well, there is a very high level of symmetry and convergence between what the BJP has been talking about and what the EC has decided in terms of the schedule. Well, it is not about political geography. It is about electoral geography. It is not only about the many different phases which the people of Bengal, they have been subjected to so far as election is concerned. We are all fine. You can have 8 pages, you can have 15 pages, no problem. But question is that how come there is no logic, there is no rationale, there is no justification. What a stupid idea, and I'm not questioning the Election Commission, all my respect, but what a stupid idea.
Stupid! You're calling the Election Commission announcement stupid. You called it the EC announcement stupid on live television.
I'm not calling the Election Commission.
You just said stupid.
I'm saying that this is a stupid idea to think in terms. Please, let me complete, Arnab. Question is that the Election Commission schedule, where is the logic, where is the rationality? Do you know political geography? And you do know 330 kilometers apart, Malda and North Kolkata voting together, and you are redoing the districts. So what is the logic? I can understand the logic in relationship to security forces deployment. I can understand the logic in relationship to the possible threat from the Maoists. I can listen to any amount of logic, but I cannot accept, I cannot understand something illogical, something stupid, something Malda being bracketed with,
Om Prakash Mishra.
So therefore, it is
Om Prakash Mishra before Sudhanshu Trivedi jumps into the debate right now and responds to you here, let me tell you viewers, 1 minute. Now Om Prakash Mishra, you can't behave like a Formula 1 car on steroids. You've got to stop. I am your speed breaker. Please stop. Question is this, Om Prakash Mishra. Mr. Mishra, please listen to me. What is the date today? First of all, tell me. What is the date, Om Prakash Mishra? What is the date? 26th February.
You tell me.
Right? 26th February 2021. On 25th February 2021, which means yesterday, your party spokespersons, Derek O'Brien and Brotto Basu, said, we have no problem. We have absolutely no problem. If elections are conducted in 7 phases or in 9, yesterday you said no problem. Today there's such a huge problem that the Chief Minister has a press conference on it. Why are you changing your line? Yesterday you said it's okay. Today you say Narendra Modi told the Election Commission to announce a 8-phase election. This is what your spokesperson said yesterday.